Okay, today is February 12th, 2010, and it's snowing! Check it out! Hey James, wave to the camera!
Oh! You missed me falling earlier.
You fell? Now that would have been great. Well, wait!
That's the second time. Yes.
Oh man!
Hey, I got your snowball.
Oh, that's a big one too! Get him!
Oh man.
Oh, watch out for that tree you almost ran into. Wow! Look how much it's coming down. This is crazy! Ah! Whoa! I almost got the camera. Oh, no, that's not fair, Daddy. That is not fair. Do you see that, James? Oh. Ah! You can't do that. I have the camera. Hey, how's the baby doing? Is she sleeping still? She's in the swing.
I can't see nothing. You need help?
Uh-oh. Your glove's coming off? Nuh-uh. Don't be throwing that at me.
Yeah, so
Got it.
Sean, you're too tall. You're too tall. Maybe I should put the camera up before it gets too wet.
you should.
I think that's enough fish.
All right, both y'all look over here when you get a chance to say hi.
Got it? Got it? I don't know where your gloves are.
All right,
Maybe you took them to mommy's house.
close up of James. Close up of Daddy. All right, guys.